2, 1, crescendo!
And as we begin our match, Red Alliance facing a 2v3 matchup, but they are not shying away from the challenge. It's like 971 scoring their preloaded note and going down the row, all of the ones prepared on their own side of the field. It looks like they don't grab another one that they were going for from the center line, but it is still enough to start up with the lead. Blue Alliance, however, only down by 8, and all 3 of their robots quickly scoring notes, 2 in the speaker, 1 in the amp, ready to make up for it. And those Blue Alliance robots clearing up the rest of the notes still available at the center line. And it is Harker over at their speaker scoring, and Napa Celerats adding another to the amp. Red Alliance, meanwhile, we see Team 971 running back and forth from their source to their own side of the field. It looks like they are banking some notes there, storing them for later perhaps, as Alliance partners Vortex try to score one in the amp. And with just over a minute and a half, both of our alliances have activated that cooperation bonus, lowering the threshold for the Melody RP to just 15 notes. And as we have a very tight match, just 1 point separating our alliances, both of our teams are already well on their way there. And on Red Alliance, 971 scoring 1 more note, picking up another of those that they banked by their speaker, and they get that in place as well. Blue Alliance, however, now has their own speaker amplified. Harker scoring 1, 1280 lining up perhaps. They can get back in motion, they might try and score another. And with a minute to go, the Blue Alliance has pulled ahead with the help of that amplification. Red Alliance, though, fighting to try and take back the lead. 971 getting 1 more note scored in that speaker as Alliance partners Vortex finally get that second note in the red amp. And once again, it is just a 1-point match with 45 seconds to go. Blue Alliance, we see Napa Celerats getting 1 note scored in the blue amp. Alliance partners Harker coming back from across field. Red, however, has their own speaker amplified, taking back the lead. 30 seconds to go, and 30:57, trying to get 1 more note scored as Alliance partners 971 start to prepare for endgame. And as we begin endgame now with 20 seconds left, this match could not be much closer. It's like 971 with a note on board, already grabbing a hold of that chain. They're up in the air, see if they try and go and score that note in the trap, and it looks like they do manage to get that note in place. Just 5 seconds left. We have 1280 and 1072 up in the air for the Blue Alliance as Alliance partners Napa Celerats come into park. Come back and take the victory, 67-61. Red Alliance earning a total of 3 ranking points in that match, and Blue Alliance, although they did not get the victory, still earn 1.
Like California.